Dr. Robertson's office is conveniently located off Valleydale Road, halfway between Highway 280 and I-65, across from Jefferson State College. We provide front door parking for easy access, and we can often accommodate same-day or next-day appointments. Our lobby is inviting and comfortable with a flat-screen television and a play area for children. Our friendly and accommodating front office staff strives to make your experience at Dr. Robertson's office pleasant. Dr. Robertson is supported by our nurse practitioner, Beth Malazzo, as well as our full-time audiologist, Jennifer Smith. Dr. Robertson is a board-certified otolaryngologist providing diagnosis and treatment for problems affecting the ear, nose, and throat, including on-site allergy testing and immunotherapy for those patients suffering from allergy symptoms. For those suffering from sinus symptoms, Dr. Robertson offers in-office balloon sinuplasty, the latest in sinusitis intervention. Our full-time audiologist offers comprehensive audiometry testing as well as vertigo and balance assessments. We offer a complete line of digital hearing aids, striving to meet all financial considerations and needs. Our allergy wing allows our patients to easily receive their allergy shots. We also have 2 allergy suites designed for on-site allergy testing. We have extended allergy shot hours to accommodate all of our patients' needs. Our office also has its own operating room that allows Dr. Robertson to perform in-office procedures, including the minimally invasive balloon sinuplasty as well as skin cancer removals. Dr. Robertson is also board certified in facial plastic and reconstructive surgery. He offers a wide range of cosmetic and reconstructive procedures. We have an on-site esthetician providing a wide range of skincare solutions, including anti-aging treatments and laser services. Here at Dr. Robertson's office, we strive to care for you, your family, and your lifestyle. Contact our office today to schedule an appointment.